it hot. We let it sit for a couple days, and then we serve it. So we got like aged, and we use vertical warmers that don't go higher than 250 degrees to bring everything back to temperature. So it's like a slow process. It takes us 4 days to make a sandwich.
Really?
Yeah, almost every sandwich.
Okay.
Pulled pork ribs, pull them off with. So this is the flat, and this is the point of the brisket. So we're gonna go down and cut the whole thing, and we're gonna do it in two different ways. The way we do it in the restaurant. So we'll slice down this way until we get about here. Then we'll slice down this way till we get about here. Then we'll start carving up the point from the flat and slice that in two different ways. And with that being said, here we go. That's nice, huh? How do you like that bark?
That's nice.
Nice little smoke ring.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm getting to the point where I'm starting to see some meat starting to come out right here. As I keep slicing down this way, and I'm going to cut it in half right now. As I keep cutting slices down this way, you see the two distinct pieces of meat right here, right? This is the point part, and this is the flat part. The flat is less marbled than the point. So if I'm making burnt ends, what I would do is basically slice this top off and cube the top off and use the bottom for sandwiches. On this half, you can see a pure distinction because the brisket is two different muscles of a cow that come into one, right? So let's turn the board this way and cut down on this side. I gotta get it down, there we go, right-handed. So now I'm cutting down from the point side the two different muscles, and as they come together. Be slicing down this way. Oh, that thing's so tender. We'll keep going down that point. You see the marble and how beautiful that is, and that's all basically one muscle. So we haven't gotten to the flat part yet. And there's where the flat starts working. So here, if I'm making burnt ends, I come down in the middle. Flat. There's my point, and I'm going to turn this sideways, so I'm cutting this way. That's the part of the brisket that you make burnt ends with. So we use it all. We don't trim our briskets at first. You see we got a nice thick fat cap. It's a fat that makes a flavor. When I see people trimming brisket online, I'm like, what the hell are you doing? That's crazy. So with that being said, that's the basic way of how to carve a brisket.